Derek Brocher here. Good morning and welcome back to Bocas del Toro. This morning I'm sitting in the Gambit Tours boat headquarters here, just about ready to get on a boat to Zapatilla Island today. It's going to be, I think it's a full day tour I signed up for. It's about $45. There's going to be some snorkeling, possibly dolphin sightings, and we're going to go check out the natural beauty of the Zapatilla Islands, which are two really small islands on the other side of Bastamentos here.
Vamos a Cayo Zapatilla, que es el paraíso.
Our first stop of the day seems to be a very popular spot here in Dolphin Bay. There's about probably 8 or 10 other boats here waiting for dolphins to show up. We were able to see a few dolphins before heading out. We saw some playing and actually 2 came under our boat, so I hope I got that on video. But right now we're at Coral Key and we're just gonna order food here, I think. We're just ordering our lunch, and then we're going to go out and maybe do some snorkeling and head to Isla Zapatilla later. It looks like it's raining a little bit behind me, so we may be a little bit later than expected for some other events. Well, at around 2 in the afternoon, we're going to come back to this little island restaurant and have our lunch that we just ordered.
This guy appears to be fixing the thatched roof here.
Well, after we left the restaurant, we came to Isla Zapatilla number 2, which is a 14-hectare island here in the middle of kind of nowhere. It was a pretty long ride to get out here by the lancha. The lanchas are those long, thin boats that you take everywhere, like water taxis. And it was a pretty bumpy ride, but we finally got to this beach, and this island is really, really spectacular. Luckily, the rain has kind of finished, and now we're just gonna enjoy the beach for a few hours until we go snorkeling. After a really nice and relaxing hour and a half or 2 hours here on the island, we're going to pack it up, head back to the boat, and then do some snorkeling. I'm not exactly sure where, but hopefully the water's a little bit clear here, because on the Zapatilla Islands the water is very murky. It's just after 2 and we finally made it to, I'm not exactly sure what this place is or what islands are around me, but we finally made it to the place where we're going to snorkel for a little bit, and it looks really clear here, so I'm getting excited. Well, that little snorkeling was pretty refreshing. There wasn't too many big fish to see. There was a tad bit of tiny fish. Just spent a few minutes in and pretty refreshed, pretty ready for lunch now. Well, now we made it back to the restaurant that we ordered our food at about 3 hours ago, and I paid $10 for a really easy to make Bocaterreño dish, I guess, or just a Panamanian dish, just simple chicken, rice, and patacones. And at least they have my favorite.
the picante, the ají picante sauce.
Well, the meal was a pretty typical Panamanian dish that you can actually get for about $4 on the main island at local stuff. The main island I'm referring to is Isla Colón, which is where Bocas Town is located. But, I mean, we're a captive audience out here on this island, so it wasn't too bad.
From here you can hardly see it, Isla Zapatilla 1 and 2, but right there is number 1 and right there is number 2.
After a little lunch, we came back out on the boat and we just got done with the mangroves and looking for sloths. We didn't really see any. We saw a few, but they were really small and really high up in the trees, so they were very hard to see. But now we're here at what they call Hollywood, and you can see a bunch of red starfish in the water, which is pretty cool. Alright, well after another choppy boat ride back to Isla Colón, I'm back in Bocas Town here, and I'm going to go get ready for tomorrow because tomorrow I'm going to move to Red Frog and I've got to kind of plan that out, so I will leave it here for today. Thank you again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you think I deserve it, please like and subscribe below and check out some more videos on my channel to get backpacking tips and tricks from around the world.